Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to create an account on TikTok. At first, install the app, then open the app on your phone. Here we are on the home page. Tap on the profile like icon on the bottom right corner. Here you can sign up using your phone number or simply continue with your email, Facebook or Google. Tap on continue with email and enter your email address. Now tap on continue. Here on this page, create a strong password using the given combinations. Tap on continue. On this page, enter your birthday. Tap on next. Now create a username and tap on continue. And with that, we have created an account on TikTok. Now you are ready to explore and create your own TikToks. You can tap on profile like icon on the bottom right corner to add a profile picture, bio and link to other websites or social media. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more.